Jonathan Lederman from LSS Law, and today I want to answer the question of, will I be able to keep my credit cards after I file bankruptcy? I'm asked this question all the time, especially by people who rely on credit cards. Unfortunately, when you file bankruptcy, you have the obligation to list all of your assets and all of your debts. What that means is that every credit card that you have in which there's a balance owed on the day of filing to that credit card company, you have an obligation to list them in your bankruptcy. And once that bankruptcy is filed, those credit card companies will close your accounts. For the ones that you don't necessarily have to list as creditors because you don't owe them any money, chances are those cards will be canceled as well, because these credit card companies do public record searches on social security numbers, most likely on a daily basis. They just do like a nationwide sweep to determine which of their account holders have filed bankruptcy, and you can expect those accounts to be closed as well. So you will have to change your lifestyle a little bit during the course of your bankruptcy, but if you're filing the most common one, Chapter 7, which could be over in as soon as 90 days after you file, you will gain access to credit as soon as you obtain your discharge and your case is closed. I've seen clients get new credit card offers in the mail starting the day after they got their discharge. And as much as you might think it's kind of funny to get a new credit card if that was what caused you to file bankruptcy in the first place, it's actually a recommended practice to get a new card as a way to rebuild your credit after your bankruptcy is over. If your spouse has credit cards in his or her name and they're not joining you in the bankruptcy, please keep in mind that they'll be able to continue to use their credit cards during your bankruptcy, so that may alleviate some of your concern. If you would like to sit down with myself or one of the other experienced bankruptcy attorneys in my office for a no-cost, no-obligation strategy session in which we will sit down with you and go over all of your options both in and out of bankruptcy, please contact my office to schedule that. If you're not ready for that and would like to gain access to some additional resources, you can access those through the links below. If you'd like to watch some other videos in which I've answered additional frequently asked questions, you can access those in the links below the video as well. Please remember, doing nothing changes nothing. Even if you do nothing, please recognize that that's making a decision, and a pretty poor one at that, in my opinion. Your family deserves better. At least learn your options. You have nothing to lose. I'm here, ready, willing, and able to help you whenever you're ready. Just pick up the phone.